And we want to assure you that the many activities that are coming, when we have an opportunity, we shall always remember the wonderful hosting you have done, and we shall consider you again. Allow me to appreciate a few of our sponsors who have gone a long way to ensure that we'll continue championing to ensure our students participate effectively in co-curricular activities. I appreciate KESSA at the sub-county and county and national level, because I'm aware that at times, as much as we fund, funds are not enough, and they always come in to assist. We appreciate, and I urge all the local teams, kindly from the sub-county, always work as a team. You look at the funds that are there, put everything on the table, bring the stakeholders, so that where necessary, when they come to assist, they see where there is a deficit and they assist willingly. Otherwise, from today, the teams that have won cease being regional teams. They now become Kenyan teams. Continue preparing well. We have made arrangements to receive you in Kakamega for the next 1 week. We will want, as you cross the border, to go and represent us in Uganda. This time when you come back, it will be nothing short of being #1 in East African region. And therefore, please all of you assist one another, and even coaches, those who feel they have ideas to assist our teams as they prepare to go to East Africa. You are welcome to come there, because one idea can change everything. We are going to meet our competitors who are very tough, and it will be unfair if we don't prepare well to come when we have won. I will urge the county governments that kindly also support your teams, sponsor them to come and see what happens in East Africa. We may not have the funds to support all the officials, but when we partner, especially when it comes to hosting, as a country and as a region, we have a challenge of swimming pools that are of international standards, where we can also have swimming championship. It's important that when you visit, you also come and develop those facilities in your county. Colleagues, today is not my day. It is the day of the guest of honor. But before I invite him, it is important to recognize that we have partnered with the county government. So you allow me to invite our deputy governor, who is representing the governor in this closing ceremony. You are